Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FreeBank token. Now this is spelled FreeBank, all one word except it's missing the A, and ticker symbol is FRBK. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing April 12th on a very big central exchange. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. We're going to go over the information on the FreeBank token and a couple different ways how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the FreeBank token. So ticker symbol FRBK, this token will be listed April 12th at 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So one way to get this token, if you're looking to get it, is by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC at gate.io. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol FRBK, and then simply just buy the token. Now this is a BEP20 token with a max supply of 500 million tokens. If you go over to their BSC scan, it says 2 holders. It's not available anywhere yet. 8 decimal places on this token. But most likely around the same time that it gets listed on Gate, it'll be going over to PanCAKESWAP most likely. You'll be able to get it over there by, first of all, you need a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, some wallet for Binance Smart Chain tokens. Fund that wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their document section, freebank.gitbook.io/docs, you would trade your BSC for the FreeBank token. Now, you'll have to wait until the pool gets filled, then you should probably follow their socials to see when that is. And so that their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen here, at @free_BNK. So you can follow that, and they're going to tell you, when new listings happen and things like that. But as of now, this token is not listed anywhere. So FreeBank is founded by a dedicated team of entrepreneurs with a vast amount of experience with financial technology, striving to change for the better how we all interact with money across the world. Now, today's dynamic crypto market is valued at $2 trillion. Enter FreeBank, an innovative and revolutionary solution that addresses pressing challenges head-on. FreeBank leverages cutting-edge technologies to offer the most affordable and up-to-date services to crypto investors. Our mission is to redefine the crypto industry by introducing an ecosystem designed to empower users and simplify their crypto experience. FreeBank is more than just a platform. It's a vision for the future where crypto is accessible, secure, and tailored to meet the diverse needs of every user. So FreeBank's approach, they have a unique hybrid approach. FreeBank employs a groundbreaking hybrid procedure that prioritizes security and user satisfaction through MPC wallet technology, eliminating the need for seed phrases. You can access up to 12,000 tokens from nearly all chains, streamlining transactions without the hassle of separate wallets or gas tokens. There's also connected to more than 35 DeFi liquidity sources and aggregators. FreeBank ensures competitive pricing, simplifying transactions with a straightforward fee structure deducted from existing tokens. And you can enjoy round-the-clock in-app customer service, providing direct access to human representatives for quick solutions. with full transparency to view blockchain data for all transactions. Also explore diverse decentralized opportunities seamlessly with our secure app, including access to staking through curated DeFi pools for optimal returns. While sharing your private key is necessary, our MPC technology ensures top-notch security backed by $30 million assurance coverage against hacks and cyber attacks, with plans for individual portfolio insurance extensions. Ensure seamless access to your loved ones for unforeseen events with our comprehensive inheritance plan. And we believe FreeBank's hybrid model holds the key to mass adoption, presenting a compelling investment opportunity in the decentralized finance landscape. Now, FreeBank is a comprehensive financial ecosystem based on blockchain technology designed to transform the management of our finances and assets. With a variety of innovative features and services, FreeBank is your gateway to a new era of financial empowerment. It's got user-friendly interface. You can enjoy a seamless trading experience with our intuitive UI, gasless transactions, transfer and exchange assets effortlessly across chains without gas fees, global accessibilities, access trading in 150 countries with diverse on and off-ramp options, including cash, card, and bank transfers. Optimal exchange rates. Benefit from the best available exchange rates through aggregation for more than 35 DeFi and CeFi aggregators and liquidity providers. Cost-effective overseas payments, so experience one of the fastest and most affordable options for overseas payments using blockchain technology. Low-fee payment solution. Enjoy low-fee transactions, ideal for both merchants and customers, offering an alternative and traditional card and cash payments while tapping into the Web3 consumer base. Diversified investment opportunities. Easily invest in the real-world assets, tokenize assets, access fractional ownership, and explore overseas real estate and tokenize stocks, gold, bonds, and more. There's competitive financial services, access competitive rates for mortgages, lending, and savings, making financial services more affordable for everyday individuals. And lastly, we have advanced inheritance plan, ensure hassle-free, free access to digital assets for loved ones through advanced inheritance plans, complemented by $10,000 US crypto portfolio insurance. Now they have the tokenomics here, so we already mentioned 500 million total supply. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. 8% of the tokens went to seed round, 4.8% strategic and KOLs, 4% IDO, looked like a J there. IDO, I was thinking, what the heck is a JDO? IDO, 15% team, 2.5% advisors, 20% treasury, 20.7% rewards and marketing, and 25% goes to liquidity. They all have different vesting periods and stuff like that. Now, you can check out more information on their document section, which you can find on their webpage, freebank.io. FreeBank is always missing the A, so just be aware of that when you're typing in URLs and search words and stuff. And yeah, so this token will be listed on Gate, maybe more central exchanges as well, and probably PancakeSwap in the near future as well. So stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.